In a small bowl, whip together 4 eggs. Add a dash of cinnamon. Roast and cool 2 sweet potatoes. Peel and mash them in a large bowl. Add whipped egg mixture and mix well. Place a medium cast iron skillet on medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. Ladle a scoop of pancake batter and cook until golden brown. Carefully watch the increasing pan temperature. Sweet potato has high sugar content and burns easy. When golden, flip the pancake and continue cooking until done. Repeat until all the batter is used. Place another medium cast iron skillet on medium-high heat. Start with 2 tablespoons butter and cook until butter browns. Add sliced banana to the hot pan. Spread out into an even layer and caramelize for 2 minutes. Toss in some walnuts and cook 1 minute. Then the grated ginger. And cinnamon. Finish with maple syrup. Serve the hot sauce over golden brown pancakes. Top with yogurt and a pinch of cinnamon. Enjoy!